The boat we're going to take a video tour of today is a 2003 Carver 356 aft cabin motor yacht. She was ordered new and custom ordered. The biggest engine package available, which are 370 horsepower Cummins. They have less than 150 hours on them since new. They are actually ran regularly at regular intervals here in the slip, and she shifted into gear so the transmissions are exercised and the Kohler generator is also ran. You can see we've got a full enclosure. It's about 2 years old, needs a little cleaning, but is in good shape. Looking back down to the aft deck. By the way, I have to apologize to the boat owner and those of you watching this video. Hurricane Dorian came through about a week ago, and the owner took the full enclosure down and has only had time to get the bridge enclosure back up. And as you'll see in the forward stateroom, that's where the rest of the isinglass is laying, so I apologize again. I'm a little premature, but I did want to get this video shot so that people can get an idea of the condition of this boat. You can see aft deck ice maker. That's less than 2 years old as well. And we get a look, an overview of the salon area. You can see off on the starboard side here, we've got a newer flat screen TV. It's a nice seat. The dinette is forward of that. And then off on our port side here, you can see we have a nice L-shaped dinette. All the fabrics are buff ultra leather. And yes, if you have any questions on this boat, you can reach Mike at 910-620-9903. Panning back obviously over to the dinette. All the fabrics are in very good condition. This boat, the owner of this boat is an engineer, so he had Carver do a lot of custom additions for them, such as the master stateroom bed is much larger than the standard bed. It's 60 by 80, which we'll see when we walk back there. We have a larger water tank holding capacity, larger head tank holding capacity. You can see a nice wood floor here. And back in the day when some boats were built with both an electric stove and oven. See our microwave up top here. And over under fridge freezer. And then our second guest head is obviously forward to starboard. It's an electric flush system with a macerator and direct overboard discharge. They even still have the Carver towels. I'm not going to spend much time up here because, as I mentioned, this is where the extra isinglass is stowed, but you got a big hanging locker off on the port side and a bed large enough for 2 adults. And again, I apologize at being a little premature. By the way, this boat sustained 0 damage from Dorian this year or Florence last year or any hurricanes that may have occurred during the life of this boat. Those are incliners, by the way, so those bases flip up to make an incliner recliner. And we'll take a walk back down to the master, where again we see an oversized bed. Again, even the Carver pillowcases are still there. All the cherry wood's in beautiful condition. Marine stereo system is a year or 2 old. Extra storage right there. And as we pan over to the in-suite master head, of course the same electric flush system with macerator. And here we do have a fairly spacious, comfortable stall shower. And we'll finish up back out here in the salon. Again, 2003 Carver 356 aft cabin motor yacht, one owner boat, custom ordered new by her current owner, who's an engineer, and his wife, who's also very detail oriented. It's located in Hampstead, North Carolina. Please give me a call with any questions. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video.